Hello, my name is Alan. I'm a teacher with a TEFL certificate of 250 hours. So I'm really into this game of teaching. I taught practically most levels. In the past, I've done the testing of the Cambridge exam in Peru. I taught in South America and I taught in Southeast Asia. Did some volunteer work with elementary classes, with high school students, academic writing with pre-graduates in Cambodia. By the way, I'm also an artist, and so I have a little bit of input of artistry in my teaching, in my way of teaching, my method. I love to do conversations, I love to do comprehension and reading. And if I had a board here behind me, I would also use it to scribble on it, to write words on it, or drawings that explain the words. Make it fun. It could be fun if we know what we want, if we know whether we are going to engage in conversation or in grammar and other things like pronunciation and reading. So it's up to you. I hope you will click on my avatar on my profile and check it out, do a demo lesson with me, and we'll see from there if you're willing to continue with me. Bye-bye.